Channel. In today's video we're going to be using the organisation stuff that we got from Kmart the other day to organise this pantry. It is a mess, as you can see. I'll give you a quick tour of what we're working with here, but I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Don't forget to press the bell as well so you're notified every time I make a video. So let's go, guys. So this is the top shelf, all a bit of a mess. Hasn't been done in a while, and obviously these organisation systems aren't working for us because it is so deep. We keep putting things in front of everything and it's driving me crazy. So there's nowhere else in our house to store our glasses and mugs, so they go in here. Cereals, and then down at the bottom we've got some potatoes and some of the bulk things. Do and recommend is pulling everything out. I'm going to put it on my dining table, which is just here. I've got my cordless vacuum. I'm going to vacuum it all out, wipe it all over, see what I have, get rid of and declutter all the things that we don't want anymore, and then put it all back in and make it nice and neat and tidy. You might see Lily in this video. She might want to help, but let's get started. I'm a bit nervous because it's going to take a while, but I think it's going to be a really good outcome when we finish.
Look at Lily cleaning in the camera.
Okay, look at Lily cleaning. She's helping Mummy. Thank you, Lily, so much. So it's all empty at the moment, except for these glasses, because we have nowhere to put them. Lily's helped me. So we have stuff over there, all the way on this counter. Oh, excuse the light. And then we've starting here, some on the ground, and this is our dining table. So now we're gonna sort through some of the stuff we need, don't need, put things in containers, and then we're going to reorganize it back up into here with a whole new system that is gonna work for our family. did turn the camera off a little while trying to get organised. Lily is still here helping me. We've got a huge bag of garbage. And it's big. It's really overwhelming. I don't think I like doing it this way, but at least you can start fresh, all new systems and everything. So we're still going strong. The benches are looking better. Trying to figure out a spot for rice and things. Got rid of a few mugs. I'm trying to keep all the breakfast and snacks on one level. It's crazy town. So let's finish this off.
Yeah.
All organised. We've decluttered a whole bag full of stuff. I'll take you through what I've done, what I've kind of gotten rid of. So this is what it looks like now. I've used this tub for pasta, some convenience meals. We've got that baking, my noodles, some vinegar, bulk stuff. So this one is for vinegar and salad dressings. I'm going to get some labels, not finished, work in progress. These are the things that we use on a regular basis. All the rices are there. This is all our sauces and things, so you can pull that whole thing out and get what you need. This is what our canned storage looks like now. Looks so different to when we first did it. Some dried fruit there, I didn't know where else to put it. Organised some of the cups now. So down this is breakfast, snacks, cereal. If anyone's got any ideas of how to do things when it's so deep so you can see everything, that would be great. Clinton's even thinking of doing some drawers. And this is the bottom. Some baking and then onions and potatoes. This was our bag of rubbish. I need to go through and do the recycling and everything, but this is a big bag of everything that we got rid of. Everything's still a bit of a mess. I need to find homes for other things. But that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys!